welcome to my kitchen. My name is Anna and today we're making some frozen mango margaritas. I will be enjoying these all throughout the summer. It's like a regular margarita, but it's really fruity, has a beautiful mango flavor. It's just very summery, and I love frozen margaritas. Are my favorite of any kind, but especially mango margaritas, watermelon margaritas, and strawberry margaritas are my all-time favorite margaritas. I have a few different ingredients. Let me get this out of the way so I can show you. You're going to need some frozen mangoes. If you're using fresh mangoes, you might want to add a little bit of ice to your mixture so it's a little more frozen. You're going to need, of course, some lime juice. I always use fresh lime juice, so much better. You're going to need, of course, your tequila. I'm using some silver tequila. You're going to need a little bit of mango juice. You're going to need some triple sec and some simple syrup. If you don't have simple syrup, you can use some agave nectar. Normally I would use some orange liqueur instead of triple sec, but I currently ran out, and the brand that I used, if I'm not mistaken, is Contiel, something like that. First thing we want to do is add a little bit of, well, a lot, because you do need some nice amount of tahini to a plate, right? And then with a lime, you want to go all around just like so. I'm gonna coat all around the rim. Let me tell you, this is like my all-time favorite part because the tahini, it's really citrusy. It's not really spicy because tahini is pretty mild, but it has a little bit of a kick that you can definitely taste. So we have our glass ready, and now to this we're going to add mango juice, our tequila. We're going to add the simple syrup or the agave. You can add as much or as little as you like. I like mine kind of sweet, so I add a generous amount. And I'm going to, we're going to add our lime juice, and again you can add as little as much as you like. We're gonna add the mango right in here, and then we're gonna blend everything up. My margarita, it's ready to go. I did add a few ice cubes because I really like mine very, very thick and beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite thing ever. Okay, I like to garnish mine with, a little lime, a little mint leaf, and there we have it, our frozen mango margarita. Let me tell you, this is like the best summer drink. So refreshing, full of beautiful tropical fruit flavor, and I mean, to me, that's summer mango margarita, hand in hand. So good, so cold and so refreshing for a beautiful day out. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. I am going to go enjoy my mango margarita. Like I said, written recipe on my website, anitasrecipes.com. You can find a direct link to it in the description box. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Salud.